different pretty far though.
Nice one.
Garage.
Yep, most of the where have most of the LTs gone though? What garage do you reckon?
Somewhere in there.
It's an E. It's like E2. It's like E250.
Here it comes.
Let's go. Oh, it's EN12. Nice. Just a video.
Quite new because there is grey line and that's all been.
Yeah. Then we got the in service. Deliver the goods. It will blow up in faces, bro. There's a lot in service. If one, should we ask for them to do custom blinds for 61?
Yeah, to travel.
I think we should ask, you know? Might as well.
Yeah.
WMZ. Someone's sleeping at the back. Does she know someone's sleeping at the back? Or someone's ill? Well, see what we can see. Something's leaving.
I don't trust these streets.
Sorry.
What is this, the VS15?
Yeah, I think even if you don't, I might ask that joke for some blinds. $184. We gotta get the seats as well.
Oh, is this 184? It's the one of the.
I'm trying to stay further back.
Some sort of EV coming in. Leaving E400. Stop. Double start. Where?
Settle it. 354. That's it.
Change now.
What's the lowest? That's the 354.
No, that's not Qatar.
Someone's fan belt.
Oh yeah,
That was one of the buses.
probably yeah.
What is 7?
Yeah,
7.
I'm gonna ask the driver like to do custom buys on that when they come over. Well, if they look kind enough, I'll ask them.
Look at him having a piss.
Oh my god!
But that driver gave us away.
Really?
Yeah.
He just asked me if I'd sit there or not.
Why?
No, what? He's going to go sit there and do dumping.
No, he's gonna masturbate.
That's what I thought he was doing. Probably is now.
Ugh. Disgusting. Man. Manco. Bromley Wharf.
So wait.
Someone just did an assault alarm. Yeah, someone just did an assault alarm.
Yeah.
It might be
No, it's LC driver.
LT.
I don't know what driver it is. Please be the LC.
I heard an assault alarm. 36606 has just pulled up. I'm gonna go get a picture of the MMC.
You won't need a bus.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that's what I wanted, the picture. WNA.
This hand's so hot.
WS has just pulled up. Yeah, I know. I am.
What is
Line change, line change. So E200s. Definitely not going away with him. 354. I just want to be worried where that guy had a piss. Oh, there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What's happened to his blinds?
What? I've got, yeah.
I've set to blank.
Oh.
In 366. Oh, he's broke down. Yeah, he's broken down.
I think that EN12's okay up there.
Yeah, EN12. Yeah, EN12 broke down. No, it wasn't. It was straight like that. There we go. Oh. What? What? The hell? The hell? The actual hell? 246 the chart well? It's Monday. But it's Sunday services, but it's Monday, yeah.
Yeah, probably back.
Why is it going so slow?
So he's come in again, he's been through. And he also
No, he's definitely not broken down then, is he?
Oh.
Oh, I know that guy. He's the one that let me in the cab at WS2.
Oh wait, here. Yeah, this one.
Bro, the SL3 drives so far.
Yeah,
Actually so far, bro.
remember that LCD?
Flashes.
The LCD.
Yeah. Porn. WS121. Why can't we just get a plan change, bro? You good okay, bro? Like, I'm trying to video in cinematic, see what it does. See what happens. Like, if I was to get a picture, would that, oh, I can't. Oh well, that sucks. Now I'm just stuck on video. So let's just talk to the camera, bro.
So
Let's just talk.
Quite eventful day. Assault alarms, beeps, good buses, good drivers.
Yeah, very good.
And
Very
one
good.
miserable one.
There's always that one. Or we'll see the Karen driver along in a minute,
Yeah.
which will ruin it.
Yeah.
Oh well. Oh, I want to get like a. I can't because he's down there.
Yeah.
Oh well, I'm stuck on video, so yeah. As Mr. Orpington and London Transport said, it's been a very eventful day. Very nice.
Yep.
But yeah, there's something coming around now, so let's test out cinematic mode. Maybe.
Skateboard for the no? What do you want?
A shines pole. Oh yeah, that is actually quite cool.
If that's not good fun, we'll get fun with it.
Yeah.
I don't know. Should I edit it?
Just
Should I edit it and put the civic list together? Because I accidentally got rid of a video.
You could do.
Should I just do part 1 and part 2?
Maybe.
Probably just edit it. Hold on. What's this? It's a pipe here.
Oh yeah, there used to be like lights, I think. You got them in Orpington somewhere. Just an empty.
You're in some sort of void. Some sort of, yeah.
Yo, that's sick. I actually love this. Quality, bro. Quality. Bro, no, Karim, you gotta see this.
Yo.
Look at that. I might have to use that more often.
Show me off.
So yeah, that was cinematic mode. Now we open again back to normal with LT129 and an E of some sort. E92. We got some buses coming out. Oh, it's got some headlight cover. Gotta love RJZ.
What is that? Is it good?
No, you can see the little lines on the plan, so that's cool. But it's just like come out a little bit, or it's too big. It's just You got it now as well. I think part of it's my hay fever, I don't know. I love happy drivers, bro. It just boosts your mood by like 1000%. This is the one that was here when we first got here. That would be cool though if we could get.
We take a thumbs up.
Yeah. When the BD11s come out on the SL5, if we could get a picture of one of them and one of them next to each other, that would be sick.
Yeah.
Such a cool guy. I actually love that guy. Not in that weird.
I have no words. What are you trying to do?
He's so kind. So kind. I love it. Oh, that guy is so cool. I mean, that's so cool. 273. Yeah, these drivers are so kind. Yo, it's this guy.
Stop.
Yeah. Yeah, and the first MB driver to do an assault alarm. Yeah, that's sick. I love that assault alarm so much. Yeah.
I've had a bit of a struggle start.
Is it leaving? Oh. You see it? Such a cool video. Actually, like, this is why I love the bus spot in here.
Exactly. Credit bus
so
have to see it. See that.
Yeah, exactly. Let's go building spotting, gang. Oh, alright. Oh, it's gonna be a 54. Oh yeah, that makes sense. My bad. Oh, look at that cool. Look at the cool way it's going. Look, it looks like it's raining.
Yeah.
It never normally does that. It's normally really fast. That's cool. That's sick.
And he's actually.
we're gonna go by a bus. That's nice. That makes a weird noise. E118, come on. Favourite. One of my favourites.
Or I'm actually running out of storage. How.
Another one! Would you believe it? Would you believe it? Nah.
Okay.
Oh, well, it probably is, but
Another
like,
good MZV driver.
yeah. Where did E118 go? That's my question. I did not see it. Was that a home service or did it just disappear? Oh, there it is. It just disappeared off the face of the world.
Oh, no, yeah, you know. Drive's actually flying into one of off.
Hey, is that... There goes an ambulance. Oh, it's WS118. I thought it was WS119. Oh, it was the driver change.
Probably looking at this driver like walk away. Look better than that. Okay, so
Why this thing just stopped? The amount of times I've pressed stop recording on this thing, it's not stopping.
who's that sound? Press it up.
So we had on the last TV, that headlight was missing, that one was there. Now we got that headlight's missing.
Their
That
tyres, like, what is that, the tyre or something? Something
I don't know, I think that was like the coolant mapping, maybe it's loose or something. When's the EV leaving? That's my question. Yep, there they both go. Unfortunately. How much percent am I on? 14. Okay. My video just stopped, I think. The only thing is it's in like 24 minutes. Love it. I don't know if I like the cooling fan though.
Yeah.
Hey. When is that EV leaving, bro? I want to ask for an tour as well. E272 on the replacement services. Oh, maybe they didn't change over. That looks like him. Looks like it's him.
You it was him.
My bad, my bad. Am I in the way?
Yeah.
Right.
Because I'm yours, of course, it's seven. Oh, double up. Triple pick here.
Yes.
This is 3S or 3 Wait, the EV's got spikes here.
Alright, that means it's leaving soon. Oh, we might be getting a blind change, which means 61. Maybe? That's a 61 blind change.
He doesn't have
Oh, he might have already done it, so not service. I don't know.
Maybe he's dead.
No, but there's people getting off. How many people on it instead? Yo. Got the cool LED like going wow sort of thing. Sorry. No, I'm getting down. 132 on the back. I mean, they're hourly services, but like that was over an hour. 100%. Oh, this guy might be fine. Wait, it was 36604. That was 8. There it is. That's not a bus. No, I'm joking. Idol.
Yeah.
I hear the idol. I swear I just heard it. Listen, listen. Did you hear that?
Like these lads are still here.
But it's reaching down for the assault alarm and I got pipes. E172 on the rail placement, yeah. Where is this SL3?
Not sure.
I bet it's on 4%. Which is good because it's still there. Yes.
No,
Yeah.
it's not.
Oh. Still. Okay, nothing.
Not service as well. Probably did run back to CD.
I'm gonna get it. There's another EV. No, is that her? Is that her?
I don't know, but look, it's CCD. Yeah, top.
It's done.
So angry.
Yeah, bro's better. I got an assault alarm from that guy. When he was driving one of the LCs. It could be this.
So drop picture it.
What is wrong with EH318? What the hell?